Hey everybody, how are you doing? I am coming to you right now at 11:20 at night, and I'm trying this because my lighting is so bad here in the kitchen when I want to work in the kitchen during the day. Now this doesn't mean I'm going to be doing DIYs at 11:20 at night all the time, but I wanted to do another little blooming lamp, and this is my night light that I use in my kitchen. I usually have this just sitting by itself, but I did find I had this bucket that I got, oh my gosh, 2-3 years ago at Michael's. And this fit perfectly where it's snug, okay? And that lifts it up just a little bit more. And this lamp I've had forever and a day. This is part of my Tuscan type because I decorated a lot with that, and my house still has the Tuscan in the, well, it's a mix now of Tuscan and farm in my family room and kitchen. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this a little nightlight blooming lamp. And again, thank you, Liz. I got this idea from Liz at Traditions by the Season. If you don't know who she is, please go over and check her out. She's a riot. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my wire cutters and I'm going to just cut all of these. And I usually do this quite often, actually. I don't leave much in bunches and garland. I don't leave a whole bunch of garland either. I will cut it apart. So I have this cut, and I'm not putting any kind of styrofoam at all because this will come out after fall. So I am just literally putting these in. There's no rhyme or reason. And then once I get them in, then I'll just, you know, move it around until I like the way it looks. And I have decorated for fall with a lot of this white and brown, like daisies and sunflowers, if you will. So I'm going to use these in this as well. Now my other blooming lamp that I did, I used white pumpkins, but I don't have a lot of white pumpkins left. And like I said, that lamp is pretty snug in there, so I'm going to have to be careful in how I put these because I can't go all the way down. I do have this, that's cute. Just trying to straighten it up a little bit. Okay. And then I have these little pussy willows. I thought these would be cute. But I don't quite understand that, so I think I'll just cut that right there. And then we'll put that. So I hope everybody's doing well. I'm sure you're not watching. Well, maybe you will be watching this late at night. I don't know. Because I know I will take my phone into bed and put on my earphones and usually watch YouTube until I almost feel like I'm going to fall asleep, and then I turn it off. I like that. I like because it adds that brown color that I'm going for. Okay. Then I'll add some of the colorful leaves. Because I still have to have my fall colors, guys. I want a little bit of height back here. Okay, I think I'm going to call that done, and I will bring you back to show you where I'm putting it. Okay, I just brought the camera off the tripod so I could show you closer. So there's the bucket, and I really like it because it really looks weathered. And I left it just like it was. I didn't put stain on it or anything. And then the leaves I've had, and these little flowers were from Walmart. And they also had the big white ones. I really, really like these flowers this year. So the majority is the white flowers with just the colored leaves and the pussy willows. And here's one white pumpkin. That's all I had left. But this is what it looks like. And if I stand back, what a cute little night light for fall. I really, really like it. And then I'll probably decorate it for Christmas as well. Really like these blooming lamps. And then over here is the big one that I made. The first one. So Liz, this was a winner, my friend. Again, if you don't know who she is, it is Liz from Traditions by the Season, and I will put her channel below. You need to go check her out. She is a wonderful, wonderful YouTuber and a wonderful person. Guys, until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Okay, now I'm going to show you where I'm going to be putting it. Okay, I really like the way that this turned out. So that is what it looks like with my little chickens. I really like that, and my corn that I got, oh my gosh, I don't know how long ago. And here's what it's like when I don't have my overhead lights on. It's a really nice little night light for the kitchen. I really like it. So guys, until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye.